So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download a Gigabyte motherboard. So first you have to come on gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see this is search button, and then enter your model number of your required driver, and then enter like B70 B760 DS3H G5, and then hit enter. Then click to product, title of the product. Now you open the another tab, then click to support. Now you select first operating system, which is you require Windows 10 11. So if you any, because installations process same. Audio, and this is audio in the version, this is size, and you can download, and then click to download. When you see now, automatically start downloading. Then this downloaded, just open, and this is just double click on this. Then click to yes. So it will close automatically, so means this is installed. Close it. Chipset, extract, scroll down, see Intel INF installations. You can try in click to download. It is completed, just single click to open, double click to exe, then click to yes, then click to yes. Now this is installing. It's complete, close. Line driver, see Realtek line driver and click to download. Then it is downloaded, just open, double click to launch. This is exe, and then click to yes. It will close means this is installed. So wait few seconds, now this is installing. So it is done and close. VGA driver, extract. So now Intel graphic card driver 770 and click to download. After you click it, it will start downloading. Okay, wait few seconds to complete. So it is downloaded 770 graphic card driver. Open, and this is exe and this is extracted. So just double click to launch. Now you can see this is copy, and after that extract to your system, then installing. Like click to yes. After that start downloading. Now this is installing. Intel graphic card driver reporting. This is this version. So let's try to install latest driver. So it will close means automatically, and then you can see this is installed. So it is close, and then this is the, so this is installed.